After several hours, we put the first two boards on after we got everything cleaned out. We insulated down in here. Then we capped it with two 2x5s, so 4 inch by 5 inches is right in here for nailing. Put another board on, and now we've put in our spacers. We had to reinforce this one because we had to pound so hard on that one to bring it down, and they're all in there snug. So now we're going to put another 1x6 on here, insulate, and then we'll see what we need. But my idea is the roof will start about here and go down, and then this will be flashing up underneath this first layer of siding. So we want to go get a couple 1x6s now. We need to insulate this corner before we put the next one on so we have room to do it. And then we'll have to start working on this side. But we're going good here.